What's going on, everyone? Dr. Real Estate coming at you from our newest listing, 9 Tuers Place in Montclair, New Jersey. Come on in, come take a look. We are located in the Tuers Park section of Montclair, New Jersey. We have a custom split level, 8 rooms, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Take a look at this kitchen. Incredible stainless steel appliances, built-in cabinetry. Come on, take a tour. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tour. I'm gonna go chill and relax in the backyard. There's a little bit of an overcast, but that's okay because we will.
Don't worry, Doc, I got you.
Thanks, Connor. Welcome, take a tour. We'll see you at the next one.